Hello there, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at how we can create a direct link to our WhatsApp and how we can also customize that link for either our name or our brand name. So let's get started. Now the first thing I want to do is you go to just type create WhatsApp link on your browser. Create WhatsApp link on your browser, and then you pick, so let's see, create WhatsApp link. Okay, this is create WhatsApp link. So let's see what we have. Create WhatsApp link. Okay, I have create.wa.link. I can use this one, then I can use the postcron.com. So anyone, but I prefer this one. Create WhatsApp link. So create.wa.link. That's the one I want to use. So I'll just click on it. Okay. Okay, now this is the page. So what I need to do is to fill in the form. Now I have some things I can do here. I can create a free wa.link. Then I can create also for a branded wa.link. So the first one is free. The second one, you will pay $6 per year for it. And that one comes with other special features. But that's not what we are here for now. So we just want to create a free WhatsApp link that will direct our clients to our WhatsApp. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is to type my phone number here. Now I'm in Nigerian, so I already have the +234. So all I need to do is to put the remaining number. I'll write my number. Okay. Now when I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do is to write a custom message, what I want people to see when they finally get to my page. So I will write hello. Okay, I'm writing it for my brand, so I'll write hello DigiSmart. Concept. I would like to know more. I would like to know more about your offer. Okay, more about your offer. My name is. So this way you'll be able to get the name of the person contacting you. Okay, now once I'm done with the custom message, I can preview it if I want. Okay, let me preview it. See how it's going to look like on my. Okay, so that's how it's going to look like. Hello, DigiSmart Concept. I would like to know more about your offer. My name is, and you could see that page is actually mine. You can see my photo there. Okay, so let's go to. I'll just back it and then let's go and create. Okay, so I can now say I click on generate my wa.link. Good. So this is it. This one here is that link. This one here, that's the link. So you will see that if I click on that link, it's going to take me to my page to show you. Okay, let me, oh sorry, so let me first copy it, then let me click on it now. Good. So this is it. So I am done with the first part. I've created a link that will direct any of my customers once they click it will direct them to my page, just like this one now. So this is what the person will see, and then the person will write his name and send, and then I will receive the message. So that is the first part. Now let's go to the second part. So I want to customize that link that I have created that will link people to my page. So now I will still go back to my browser, go to a new page, new tab. I've been able to create a lot of shorten my link and customize it on this one. In fact, I'm going to show you why I prefer this one. So I write bit.ly, bit.ly. Okay, let me just click search. Okay, now here, these are some of the things that I have done with bit.ly. Now let me show you something here. One interesting thing I have been able to say about this one is that this one can show you how many times that your particular link has been clicked. So look at it here. For this one, look at this one here. Smart Concept Bookstores. Now look at here, you will see 31. So that 31 shows how many times, the 31 shows how many times that particular link has been clicked. So you can do a follow-up of how usable that link has been when you come to bit.ly. Now let me continue. Okay, so what do I do here? I want to customize my link. That's what I want to do. Okay, these are all the link that I have done before. So I'll click on these 3 lines here, and then I'll click on create new. Then I'll click on link. So that I have done. Now destination is the link, that WhatsApp link that you have created that you want to customize. So I will just paste it here. So this is the link. I will paste it here. Then I will now go down here where you have custom back -half. I will now put what I want it to be. So I can put connect DigiSmart concept or chat DigiSmart concept, anyone. So let me use connect DigiSmart. Now in this one you cannot use underscore or dash or anything like that. So DigiSmart concept, everything must be written together. Okay, now that I have done that, the next thing I want to do is to create. So I'll click on create. Okay, click on create. This is the final stage. Once we have that link, we can use it. Oh, there is, okay, this is it. This is the link now. So I have the link already, bit.ly/connect DigiSmart concept. So that's the link. So I can just copy the link. I can copy the link, or I can just let me even click on it. Okay, let me copy the link here.